Masters, I am going to be opening these Dig It Up Arctic and Wild animal eggs. First, I am going to be opening up the Arctic eggs which come out of ice crystals. And as you can see, I have already opened one of the ice crystals and got an emperor penguin. Here is the emperor penguin. And here are the other ice crystals. Both the wild and the Arctic eggs have to sit in water for 5 minutes. Here is the bucket, and here's the water. The timer has started, so once the timer beeps again, these eggs will be ready. And there's bubbles coming out of both of them. More bubbles coming out of this one though. It feels smoother. That was the timer for the eggs. Time to dig. First I'm going to get this one out. Put in this one. To start on the part where it was already broken a little. Wow, that is soft. This is really soft. Well, not that soft. That is soft. I am almost done with this. It is not going to take me that much longer to get the thing out, and I have found out what it is. What I got is a polar bear, and I've got the whole head out. This is what the egg looks like so far. Oh my gosh. Well, now I've got a new scoring record, that big of a piece. And also, that's what I did when I took out this chunk. Whoa, there we go. Now I've got a new record. A gigantic chunk. There is the polar bear with parts of the ice still on it. Putting that in there so all the ice can come off. See? Most of it came off. And it's only been in there for about 1 second. There is the polar bear fully completed. Now the last thing I need to get is a walrus. Then I've got the collection that it shows on the box. And I found a little of it. Looks like a fin. So I'm pretty sure it's the walrus. Hey, another flipper. I think. Oh, same flipper. I wonder what the tusks look like. And this is definitely the walrus. There it is. That is the walrus. Those are the parts that I didn't show. I'm gonna make walrus soup now. The water looks sort of icy. It's so weird. This is the complete set of the Arctic animals that it shows on the box. And there is an emperor penguin, a polar bear, and a walrus. Now we are going to be opening the Dig It Up wild animals, and there are 3 pods and a different animal in each pod. Let's get started with this. Oh, there it is. Hey. First step, uncover the thing from the wrapper, and it spilled on me. Great. Just great. Oh, and parents, this activity can get very messy. That is why we are outside doing this. Don't worry, I'm on my closed-in porch. Yeah, I'm not gonna get that right now. This is the 3rd egg. Oh, and also, you can tell how messy this activity is by my pants. Yeah, it is really messy. Wow, I did not expect it to turn that green. And that's all the water. Oh, I hear the sound again. That was weird. I'm letting those two soak more. So, yeah, this might take me a while. I've got some of it uncovered. Oh, and whoa. There's nothing else in these. So, that is the first one. This cheetah is almost out. So I can make cantaloupe soup. No, fried cheetalope soup. That was my first idea. Yeah, good enough. Moving on. Last one until I can make fried cheetalope soup. And I finally have it almost out. And I just broke part of the egg. Adios. I said adios. I don't think the bottom knows Spanish. There it is. And there it's gone. Now I am going to be revealing to you what they look like. This is the antelope. I will put on. This one is the cheetah. The cheetah was one of the hardest ones to clean. And the last one is the rhinoceros. And these animals are super cool. The Dig It Up Arctic animals and the Dig It Up Wild animals are both by MindWare. And they are both excavation guide. And at the top it says for ages 4+. Subscribe and like the video. Oh, like my video. Bye bye.